Full time, Arsenal 3, Chelsea 1. We finally stopped the rot and we've ended our losing streak in the Premier League, or say winless run. And we haven't won a Premier League game since 1st of November, so it's a relief to finally end the hoodoo. And yes, our performance was reasonably good apart from the last 10 minutes. We were pretty much up to the mark from the get-go. We actually started the game well with a dangerous cross from Bellerin, only for Martinelli to not connect. And even Kieran Tierney looked dangerous from the left flank with a cross, but he failed to find Emil Smith-Rowe. Chelsea did have a chance with a free kick from Mason Mount that hit the outside of the post. We took the lead in the 34th minute via the penalty spot from Alexander Lacazette. Tierney won the penalty when he was fouled by Reece James in the box. Now this was a debatable penalty as to how much contact was really there on Tierney. Some felt Kieran Tierney went down too easily. I mean, it was the referee's interpretation, but we got the penalty in the end, and Lacazette dispatched the penalty. He sent Mendy the wrong way. And 10 minutes later, we doubled our lead to Granit Xhaka's free kick. Saka won the free kick with good play, with him forcing a mistake, and Xhaka curled it into the top right hand corner. Beautiful free kick to make it 2-0 just before half time, and this was vital for us. And we went into half time with a 2-goal advantage, and in the 56th minute we made it 3-0 through Saka, a pass from Emil Smith-Rowe, and Saka tried a cross-come shot and it hit the post and went in, surprising everyone including Mendy. Even Saka himself was surprised. The celebration was a bit odd, but he probably won't care too much because it went in. Fluke or not, doesn't matter at this stage. We needed the goal and it was probably deserved. And we did have more chances later. Martinelli had a couple of chances. One, he tried an overhead kick which Mendy saved comfortably. The other was a shot saved by Mendy with nice work from Kieran Tierney, a cutback from Kieran. And Lacazette also had a chance when Mendy miskicked the ball into his path, but Lacazette tried to go for the curler and Mendy redeemed himself to make a good save. Chelsea started playing a lot better towards the later stages of the game, and they made it 3-1 in the 85th minute through Tammy Abraham with a low cross from Hudson-Odoi. At first the referee gave it offside, but after a review they saw that there was no margins. As a result they let the goal stand. And 3 minutes later Chelsea had a penalty with Mari making foul on Mason Mount. And prior to that, there was a header from Thiago Silva that went wide from Pulisic's cross. Leno saved Jorginho's penalty, which was huge, and it kept the score at 3-1. And we saw the rest of the game. So we were pretty good for say 65 to 70 minutes of the game. Just the last 10 minutes could have been a bit better because we were quite nervous in the last 10 minutes. And every player did well today to a man, with the exception of Pablo Mari because he got a stupid yellow card early and he gave away the penalty. Overall, I was satisfied with the performance. And one thing I would like to note is that we played a 4-2-3-1 formation and it worked brilliantly. No Willian. Remember, a lot of fans have been saying that Willian is this, that, another. I mean, today was a good example as to why he should not be in the squad. Yep. And I'm happy to see Martinelli back. He's trying. He even scored against Man City in the Carabao Cup disaster. But it's so happy to see him back, and he is looking like Luis Suarez. Our wing play could improve as we saw a lot of crosses from Bellerin and Tierney, but we just need to find the right man. And we've been focusing too much of our play on crosses. I think we should try and penetrate through the middle. Emil Smith-Rowe tried to do that, but he's not fully ready yet. He could be ready soon. So let's get into the player ratings real quick. Leno gets a 8 out of 10. He didn't have many saves to make, but he made a vital penalty save from Jorginho to keep the score at 3-1. Tierney gets a 8 out of 10 for winning the penalty and for creating chances and being a threat on the left. Bellerin gets a 7.5 out of 10 as he was threatening for most of the game, but he could have whipped in a better cross. Holding gets an 8 out of 10 as he marshaled the defense well. Dealt reasonably well with Abraham except the last 10 minutes. Mari 5 out of 10. He was booked for a rash challenge in the first half and gave away the penalty, so he was the only dud. And then he gets a 7.5 out of 10. He wasn't flashy or anything, but he had a solid performance, relatively solid, and he was unlucky to hit the post late in the game. Xhaka, he gets a 8.5 out of 10. He played a brilliant role in the first goal, like he provided the beautiful pass to Tierney, and he scored a wonderful free kick and did very well in midfield. He is back after a 3-game suspension, but today credit where it's due. He's not the hottest man at the moment, if I have to put it that way, but he turned up today. Saka gets 8 out of 10. He got a goal. Maybe it was a fluke, but he worked hard and tracked back and did everything right, and he was always a threat. Emil Smith-Rowe gets a 7 out of 10. He tried hard, he tried to make things happen, but just lacked the final cutting edge. Lacazette gets a 7.5 out of 10 for scoring the penalty, and he worked reasonably hard, except he should have done better with the few chances he had. Martinelli was threatening the Chelsea backline in the penalty area, and he was always probing. As a result, he gets a 7.5 out of 10, and he nearly scored a beautiful overhead kick. Thanks for watching. Until then, enjoy and have a great day.